Howdy, everybody. Hope everybody's doing great today. Here is Captain and Misunderstood. Always so happy to do these experiments. And today we're cooking, or the captain's
We're cooking. We're cooking.
On our Blackstone
We almost
grill.
never cook.
Yes, and it looks like what you're making today is some chicken
Chicken fajitas.
fajitas.
Yes, what I said, fajitas.
Okay. And Mexican corn?
Yep.
Okay, yeah.
Mexican
So
street corn.
you want to narrate and just tell us a little bit about what you did, how you prepped your chicken, and
The chicken, I had it marinating for a couple days in in a Ziploc bag with the typical Mexican style, cilantro, cumin, a little lime, salt and pepper. And right now I've got it on there at decent temperature just to go ahead and get a little char on the outside while the vegetables and corn's cooking. And then in a minute I'll go ahead and cut it up into strips and finish cooking it. You can see how it's medium rare there. And we definitely don't want that with chicken.
looks like Sadie is trying to get involved in this.
Sadie can't stay out of the way. That's just what she does. But a little bit of oil, and then you'll see me spraying a little bit of water on the chicken as well as the vegetables. Always sprinkle the seasoning, the salt and pepper from up high.
So what's that there you're stirring up over there? That's some good looking stuff there.
It's just onions and peppers and mushrooms. A little garlic.
You did put garlic on it, salt and pepper? Or?
Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
Oil?
I don't do a whole lot to the vegetables.
Okay.
Those
and you're
vegetables.
just cooking those tender. It looks
Yeah,
like you're just going to
cook
get the veggies tender.
And scrape
Okay.
the good bits off the griddle. The Blackstone's so good about this. The so many tasty bits down there. You can see them. They're just packed full of flavor. If you just scoop those up, that just makes good stuff.
So tell us some of the highlights of this Blackstone.
So easy to clean up. Spray a little water on it, and then just scrape it down. And you can cook, a full 8 pancakes on here at once. A little bit of water, scrape it, let it cool a little bit. Then take a towel with some water, and
Voila.
then a little bit of some type of oil.
Oh, looks like you're... Okay, so tell us about the Mexican corn.
You saw the street corn being cooked, and what you do is, number one, you put mayo. You can use Miracle Whip or whatever your flavor preference is. You can do that. Then you roll it in Parmesan cheese, just to stuff straight out of the bottle. And then so now you have this mayo covered Parmesan cheese crusted corn.
Wow, that looks delicious. So the chili powder, I guess that's giving it the Mexican taste.
The chili powder just brings a level of flavor to it. It lends its
I like that better.
roots to
All right, well, if you
Mexico,
like
I
this-
guess. Give us some subscribe, thumbs up.
Stay tuned. Check out at the very ending. You're going to see some great outtakes.
It is not that funny.
Yeah, it's cute.
I mean,
You got to hear Sadie, man. It is so cute. You'll laugh. I did.
even Yoda drops the ball every once in a
Yeah.
while.
Thank you, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.